Is AMD stock a buy post earnings? When we first look at the revenue, we see the Q2 2025 of $7.7 billion dollars compared to the same quarter last year of $5.8 billion. Dollars. This represents a year over year increase of 32%. However, looking at gross margins, we got 40% compared to 49%, which meant it dropped by 9 points. Looking at operating income, this is probably one of the most negative things, which is why the stock is down after hours. Because in Q2 2025, we got negative $134 million dollars compared to last year of $269 million. Dollars. That's a decrease of 150%. In terms of valuation, this company is valued pretty high with a 4P of 41.2%, a PEG of 6.2, and a price to free cash flow of 44. These are all pretty high metrics, but given the company's growth, especially when we look at their forward 2 year revenue growth of 22% and the EPS of 33%, these are all very high indicators that their data centers are doing really well. While still lagging behind NVIDIA in their data center AI business, we still see significant double digit percentage growth in their data center GPU year over year for AMD. They also have their MI300 series and MI355X accelerators, which recently has been partnered with Oracle to create and deploy a large scale cluster. Other companies like Amazon, Google, and Meta have all said they would increase their capex on hyperscalers. I believe this is significantly important to AMD because it would increase their revenue and customer adoption. AMD's Zen 5 architecture has shown to have better power efficiency and performance, particularly in gaming and productivity, when compared to Intel's Core Ultra series. This has allowed AMD to have a competitive edge in the consumer CPU market. This is all to say that AMD is facing stiff competition, whether it's from Intel or from NVIDIA. However, we can see that Intel's revenue growth is flatlined due to their lack of innovation when compared to AMD. And while NVIDIA is still the leader in this market, if you believe that AMD can continue to steal market share in the data center and AI industry, then I do believe that AMD currently is a buy. However, if you believe that NVIDIA, on the other hand, will continue to hold dominance and hold a monopoly in this industry, then I would say that AMD is a hold given the current valuation.